Hello, today we are going to learn how to graphically calculate the square root of a given line segment A using a compass and a ruler. To do this, we also need another line segment U, which we will consider as a unit. As you can see here, the length of the given line segment A is 16 centimeters, and the length of the line segment U is 1 centimeter. For this example, we have picked a line segment of 16 centimeters, which is a perfect square, and we know that the square root of 16 is 4. But now I'm going to show you how to work this out graphically using a compass and a ruler. We're going to base the solution of the problem on the geometric mean theorem, also known as the right triangle altitude theorem. So first we will show you a quick explanation of this theorem. According to this theorem, if we have to align segments A and B, and a semicircle with a diameter of A plus B, and then we draw a vertical line from the junction point AB until it cuts the semicircle, which we will call X on the screen. We can demonstrate that X squared is equal to A multiplied by B. And if the line segment B is equal to 1 unit, that means X squared is equal to A multiplied by 1, which is equal to A. Therefore, X is equal to the square root of A. So we are going to use this method to work out the square root of our given line segment A. So to do this, first of all, we are going to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of the screen, as can be seen here. And on the left side of this line, we will mark a point, which we will call A. And now we're going to transport our given line segment A onto this horizontal line, setting our compass on point A. We scribe an arc to get a second point, B. And AB is the length of our given line segment A. The next step is to transport our given unit 1 centimeter from point B. We scribe an arc to get a third point, which we will call C. Okay, so now we have our line segment A plus the unit 1 unit U. Okay, so the next step, we are going to work out the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AC. And to do this, setting our compass slightly more than half the length AC, we're going to scribe an arc above and below the line, as shown here. And now with the same radius and setting our compass on point C, we scribe another arc until it intersects our previously drawn arc at 2 points, as can be seen here. And now we will join these two intersecting points to obtain the perpendicular bisector, to obtain our midpoint M of the line segment AC. We do this because we want to draw a semicircle. We call this midpoint M. So now, setting our compass to the radius MA, we're going to draw a semicircle from A to C, as can be seen here. Okay, so now the final step is we're going to draw a vertical line from point B until it cuts the semicircle that we have drawn. And this line segment is going to be the square root A of the line segment that we were given, A. Okay, so we draw from B until it cuts the semicircle, and now we can check that this line segment is exactly 4 centimeters, which is the square root of 16, or the square root of our given length A, which is 16 centimeters. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Until the next time.